In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix Roblox error code 268 on your MacBook. This typically means that you've been kicked from an experience due to unexpected client behavior. A couple quick fixes are waiting it out, restarting everything, removing background software, and turning off any VPNs. If you're still having issues, then follow these next steps and you'll be able to play your experience again. First, press Command, Option and Escape. And now select Roblox and Roblox Studio if it's open, and then press Force Quit. Now open up Finder and press Go in the top left corner. Now press Go to Folder. You'll now need to type this in. I'll leave it in the top line of the description. Now we need to look for a folder called com.roblox.roblox. The quick way to do this is just type in com.roblox and it will pop up straight away. Now right click on this and move it to your bin. Now go back to Go to Folder, and you'll need to type this in. I'll also leave this in the top line of the description. Press Enter and type in com.roblox again and delete any file under this name. What you can do now is give Roblox another go, see if it works. If it doesn't, we need to go into our system settings, go to Privacy and Security, go to Full Disk Access, find Roblox and toggle this on. Type your password in and quit and reopen. Now give Roblox another go. If it's still not working, what we're going to have to do is uninstall the app and then reinstall it. So what you need to do is go into Finder, go to Applications, in the search bar look for Roblox, right click on this and move it to bin. Reinstall Roblox using your chosen browser on their official site and it should work. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you found this helpful.